Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Rees, and I wanted to come on here very quickly and let you guys know that I didn't drop off the face of the earth. And I did not stop breathing or making tutorials permanently. I have been in the hospital for the past 8 days now, I think. Yeah, 8 days. So I haven't been able to do anything, but once I am paroled out of here, um, I feel strong enough again, I will start making more tutorials for y'all. I actually have a lot of cute already little wreath packages that I'm going to be making, some cute fun stuff for summer, for Mother's Day, some floral stuff. And I did finish making a tutorial. I just haven't finished editing it, and it's a super cute coastal themed wreath, like a summer coastal beach themed wreath. It is so cute. It's I did the Mama Bear method, which is using mesh without cutting it. But I didn't just use deco mesh. I also used burlap. So it's really cute. I'm gonna try to finish editing it while I'm here. I don't have all the energy that I normally have. So it's taking me a while, but I'm gonna try to finish editing that and post it, so that at least you have that tutorial until I come back in full swing in my crafting room. Okay, so I just want to know I miss y'all and I miss crafting, and I will be back as soon as I can. All right, everyone, have a great day. See you next time. Bye.